This is how I turned this into this. This is a fully animated Quake 2 model, with textures, animation, even sound, loaded straight from the original game files. No GPU, no Unity, no Unreal, just the CPU rendering this. To get there, we need one thing: triangles. Every 3D model is just points, connected into triangles. To draw them, we rasterize them using a simple scanline approach. First, we sort the vertical by Y, so we can process the triangle from the top to bottom. For each horizontal line, we just need two values: where it starts and where it ends. These values don't jump, they slide along the edges. And that sliding is just linear interpolation, a weighted average between two values. This one trick shows up everything in this render. The only tricky part is the middle vertex. Once we hit it, one of the edges change. So we split the triangle into two monotonic halves and process each half separately. At first everything is flat, hard to see anything. So we fake light using the triangle average Z value. Further triangles get darker. But we can do better, giving each vertex a color and interpolate it across the surface. This is basically go-round shading. Now we get smooth shading. This already looks much more alive. But this is where the things really change. Textures. Each triangle maps to a triangle inside an image, using UV coordinates. And once again, we linearly interpolate U and V across the triangle. And suddenly, this starts to look like an actual game. Well, almost. If you look closely, textures break at sharp angles. That is because we are doing simple linear interpolation in screen space. Proper texturing requires perspective-correct interpolation, interpolating U over Z and V over Z, then dividing per pixel. But for now, we keep it simple. There is one more problem. Order matters. If we draw a triangle in the wrong order, everything falls apart. So we use a simple painter algorithm, sorting triangles by average depth. It works, until it doesn't. But for now, it gets the job done. At this point, we can render triangles, colors, even textures. But we're still missing something, an actual model, something real. So instead of building one from scratch, I decided to load real data from Quake 2. Quake 2 stores everything inside pack files, models, texture, even sounds. Basically a custom archive with a flat file table. So we scan file, find what we need, and load it directly into memory. The model uses MD2 format. Instead of bones, it stores vertex position per frame, no hierarchy, just raw snapshots. Which means animation is just switching between frames. And if we play them like this, it looks terrible. So we interpolate again, linearly blending vertex position between frames. Same trick everywhere. And when all of this comes together, you get this. Every triangle, every pixel computed on the CPU in real time. And this is just the beginning. This renderer still has a long way to go. A lot of things don't work yet, and fixing them is where the things get interesting. If you want to see where this goes, stick around. It's going to get a lot more interesting.